Okay, level 5, compose a 2-bar chord progression, C and F. Let's use strings. Yeah, so string orchestra. Put the Q on, C. Now, in a previous video, I talked about inversions of chord. So FAC, obviously there's no C there, so I can actually do FAC like this. And it's actually easier to play. So that's my CEG, and that's my FAC. And it's called an inversion. As long as it's those 3 notes, it actually doesn't matter what order you play them in. And in fact, using these inversions can actually sound good, sound better sometimes. So for example, oh wait, there's an inversion of C. But anyway, so CEG, FAC, those are my 2 chords. So I practice them and then I hit record. I should get my 4-bar count in. Oh, there's something wrong with my fingers because, as you could see, my C wasn't playing. So when I go here, I can see there's no C. So you can just click it in manually. So I'm just going to put in my C and make it last to there, and then put in my next C. There we go. And then we can see that's gone over the 3rd bar. So I'm going to click on the edge and make it so that's in time. So now we have a level 5. Lovely.